Welcome to the second part of World Kids Carnival video tutorial, initiated by Jember Fashion Carnival and World Kids Museum Japan. In this video, we will show you how to train the WKC participants. After participants register themselves, the selected participants will be contacted by X.X teams. They will inform the participant about the training schedule and place. Participants will come at the informed place and they will be greeted by X.X team. They will learn how to walk on stage and in front of the camera. They will have a dance lesson so they can learn how to move according to their costumes. They will be taught how to draw a sketch of their costumes, how to make a mood board, and also how to make their own costume. They will also learn about makeup for Carnival so that they can coordinate the color of their makeup with their costume. Lastly, they will use their self-made costumes in front of the judge before the showtime. So if there are insufficiencies in their costumes, the judge will help by giving some advice to the participant.